Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we have got something super exciting, exclusive leaks from iOS 19. From a revamped home screen to enhanced features like split screen multitasking, always on display, this update might be Apple's boldest yet. So let's dive into this. What's new? First of all, let's talk about home screen. As you guys can see here, home screen based on these leaks, iOS 19 introduced customizable widgets, layouts, and new grid options. And check out this updated wallpaper page. It features dynamic themes and change based on time and day or even your location. So talking about the iMessage theme, it gets a sleek new theme. Apple might finally let us customize chat color. Also, the calling screen gets a fresh redesign with smaller banners that don't interrupt your workflow. It looks clean, modern, and very Apple. The camera UI is getting smarter. Let me show you the camera look. There you go. So rumors has it Apple's adding quick across control from Pro modes. Over in the Notes app, we see a revamped design with better organization tool and even AI assisted notes session. Productivity leveled up. Apple Maps gets a polished interface. I'm gonna share Apple Maps screenshot and with enhanced navigation and immersive 3D visuals. Like it's really sleek and more intuitive. So with the calling screen or with the dialer screen, as you guys can see here, calling history insights, everything feels more cohesive. Yes, always on display is rumored to be interactive. With widgets, you can tap without waking your phone, and finally, split screen multitasking is here. So we'll see if iOS 19 will bring split screen multitasking or no. Imagine running maps and messages side by side, game changer. So, and check this out, iOS 19 auto saves details like boarding time and seat number into maybe wallet. Talk about convenience, right? So, what do you think? Are you excited for iOS 19 or is there a feature you're still waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Apple updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.